ki khubor ka bate se TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Yamaha. Visit Yamaha showroom for big discount and very low down payments only this August. Don't miss out. Contact 96129 51198 or 96129 51298.
Kishipai BSF ki apara kapot kelahaban Siat kuli syasun pan Pyntieng bat ban bekrat ki Mynder negeri Bangladesh ki buantor da ki ling kenda ling bakawa Lalpani ban klong mau klong siap hakatayo baladam. Ya kini la pentip tek Kishipai BSF hau MLA jong mau senam constituency ba Olin Sing Sun blale jurep ya kapot hagas ngi thok ding jingi tayo baladam ka khandai trik unai lar ara jar posau ban pentikna ka jingi shngan jingi dong shong ki shong masa hakishnong kapot jong mau senram constituency namar ka jingi kan art ka bajur ka balakhi hakri Bangladesh. UMLA ringkat baru officer in charge jengi sandli ki border outpost Urajiv Kumar ke shong jingalang shobi commandant jengi sandli ki border outpost Hadangar border outpost ringkat bikinong yalam jengi shnong kapot benyathira tai sani loga jinglong jingman hakapot ki sandli ki border outpost bagi Kishipai BSF ki para kapot ki kinthop ya ka barman bari BOP ka doholai naga BOP ka sonatola BOP ka betkora BOP bagaporno gara BOP Kani jing shim kya jong MLA ka mau senam constituency ka long ban pentikna bagi Mynder kimde banyo rong bian syari India hakum kani ka por bakri Bangladesh ka don hapadeng jinga kan an UMLA layro Kishipai BSF ki pahara kaput jong kasnong Lalpani ka bahap hapo ka dangar BOP.
I'm very happy that we are here with the border security force was guarding our border. We are here at Lalpani under the BOP Danga, and this morning I had a meeting with the respective BOP's officers who have come, commandant who have come here from Dolanaya, from Burmanbury, from Bedkura. They have come here. We have discussed all the matters in detail because we are afraid of the situation in Bangladesh. We are afraid that in a day it may take the infiltration or the influx may take place anytime. So that's why we are here to empty out the impending danger. We are discussing with all the personnel of the police personnel, the BSF personnel, to see that the situation here does not hamper us, to our citizens, to this locality here. I am very happy that our Master Rajiv, who is the officer in charge of all these BOPs from Bedkura up to Dangar, we are all together here, and he has briefed me everything. That Bangladesh last week they came through by boats ferrying this river. 100 of them, they came to collect sandstones, but after the BSF has taken the measures, the drastic measures, even they have fired them. So now the situation was normal and they did not come anymore. So, and now the BSF also, they are waiting here for duty day and night to see that the Bangladesh did not infiltrate into our territory. So I have requested all the local helpmen from Lalpani, from Dangardo, from Dangar to work together to connect each other so that we can see that no untoward incident should happen to our territory. Anything?
Yes, people should also cooperate and no smuggler should come from that side. And they should not facilitate smuggling.
Last time I saw it with my own eyes that they are coming from this side and buying things from Lalpani. So I would like to ask upon you, we don't trust only, we just rely on BSF, but we don't have cooperation, and it is very difficult for them also. Once we say cooperation means we have to cooperate all in all, so that these people from Bangladesh will not enter here. That's why we don't know what is their intention. What is their intention to come to India? They may send small boys as their, as their agents or as their spies. Who knows? So we have to be very extra vigilant for this time. Yes, especially now the situation in Bangladesh is quite in crisis. So that's all from our side. Ang ba snong yaki nokit kam snong joki niki snong ba don hajan jokani ka border so maban cooperate bane trilang bat ki bor jongka BSF namar ba ngimla bat tip bat ki bos bang ngimla bat tip ka e ka jing tmu ya ka jing wan joki niki banabar tila ban intrude ang ni po melia ba kila ban proceed sadu sa sulong sudu ta jangda de lada ngim na po ground Kamut is very difficult to find out there. So that is what we want to request from the headman, the local headman, the local secretary of the village from different villages over this border. And that's all. Basically.